Hello friends and students, in this class you are going to learn again some about matter around us. This is a day 2 class, okay? These classes will be like Byju's. You know very well Byju's, I think? Yes, like journeys. Videos will be like journeys. So please subscribe to my channel, okay? And share my videos. Fine. Now I'm going to show on the screen very well. In the previous class we completed very well about solid and liquid, I think. Yes, solid and liquid. Now again I will say about gas one more time. See here. Gases okay. Gases, okay. Gases, 1 minute, I will write here neatly. Gases neither have a fixed shape and nor volume, okay. Means gases do not have any fixed shape and fixed volume, okay. Fine, okay. Now again I will explain. Okay, now what is particles? What is the definition of particles, children? What is the definition of particles? What is the definition of particles? Particles means nothing but matter is made up of particles, okay. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles is the smallest part of the matter. Very well, okay. Again I'll repeat. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles is the smallest part of matter, okay. What is the particles? Particles is the smallest matter, okay. Part in matter, okay. Particle is the smallest part in matter, children, okay. Means in matter there is a one part, this is called matter, okay. Fine, understood very well, I think. Next, this is a very small lesson. Next, diffusion. We will discuss diffusion very highly, children. Diffusion. What is diffusion? The particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases, okay. This movement is called as diffusion, okay. What is diffusion? The movement of liquids and gases move continuously in air is called as also a diffusion. I will explain. See here. Okay, you can see very well, I think. What is diffusion? Definition. Diffusion is this movement. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration until they are spread out evenly. Okay, this is the definition. There is a small definition also, children. You will get, you can write in exams this also, but again a small definition also is there. Again I will repeat the definition. See here. The particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases. The movement is called as diffusion, okay. This movement is only this movement is highly in liquids and gases as well as solid also, but highly in liquids and gases, okay. I will explain. See here, children. Very well I will explain. Okay. I'll explain here on the board. Diffusion is nothing but, see here, think this is in a room, children. Think this is in a room. Okay? Okay. This is door. This is room. Okay. You keep one incense stick. Incense stick is nothing but doom stick. Okay? You kept a doom stick a side of room, incense stick a corner of the room, and you sit here. Okay? You keep here and you sit here, and the smell will reach to this also, this side also. It reach to several distance, several meters. This is called diffusion, children. Okay? This movement is called diffusion. Okay? Well, also a scent. Your scent smell also will reach to, scent smell also reach to you. Okay? If scent, when you spray scent in your room, it will reach to another room also, children. Well, okay. Okay, then diffusion means the particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases. This movement is called diffusion. Well, I hope it's clear to you. Next, compressibility. Yesterday only I said. Okay, but I will explain once more. What is compressibility? Compress. Who don't see compressibility? What is compressibility? If you not watched previous video, then go and watch before videos for better understanding. Okay? This is day 2 class. This is day 2 class. This is the day 2 class. Okay? What is compressibility, children? Now we are dealing with compressibility. What is compressibility? Large volume of gas is compressed in 2 cylinders of small volume to make it portable. This property is called compressibility. Well, okay? I will show it. What is compressibility? See here. This is called compressibility. The property of a substance capable, another definition, of being reduced volume of application of pressure quantitatively. Okay, this is very easy. I will explain. See here, children, for your better understanding. For your better understanding. See here. Yesterday was said. When we compress this solid, it cannot compress it. As yesterday I said. But here, compressibility is nothing but, this is a gas cylinder. Yes? This is a gas cylinder. Think this is a gas cylinder. Gas cylinder is this much, but the air will be so much. Means, okay? But the gas cylinder is a small volume, but here gas is very high, large volume. Large volume of air is compressed in small cylinders. Means large volume is compressed, large volume of gas is compressed in cylinders. Means the gas will sufficient for only here only, but they will compress it, but they will compress the air. They will compress and then storage the air for better. Understand? Well, next, what is evaporation? The phenomena of change a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Okay? What is evaporation? Evaporation. Okay? Evaporation. Now we are dealing with evaporation. What is evaporation? You can see here. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in reverse. This is another definition, but for your better understanding, I showed the definition. Okay, see here children. When you wash the cloth and you wear up a thread, it will be, okay, I'll explain with the diagram. When you wash the cloth and it is kept into sunlight, then it will be dried up, because this is called evaporation. The water will evaporates into sky. This is called evaporation. Okay. Below its boiling point. Again, I will say the definition very clearly. The phenomena of change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Okay, well, evaporation is this. When you wash the cloth and you tie it up on a thread in front of your house, the water will evaporate into sun. This is called evaporation. Yes? Very good. Next, CNG. Yesterday only we compared CNG. Now we will discuss CNG. In the next class we will discuss still more. Okay, if you like this class, please subscribe to my channel. CNG will discuss in next class, children, and again we will discuss so more things in next class. Thank you.